Australia has just banned or frozen visa applications from 10 Asian countries, and it's already affecting students, families, and skilled workers. If you're planning to move, study, or bring loved ones here in 2025, this news could change everything. Here's what you need to know before it's too late. Welcome back, everyone. Today's update is critical for anyone from Asia planning to come to Australia in 2025. The government has just announced visa restrictions targeting 10 Asian countries, impacting thousands of students, skilled workers, and families hoping to build a future here. This isn't just another policy change, it could dramatically reshape your plans and opportunities. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what's happening, why these bans are in place, and most importantly, what steps you should take now to protect your immigration goals. If you want to stay ahead and avoid surprises, keep watching. So let's break it down in simple terms, because there's a lot of confusion and even panic out there right now. This visa ban, or more accurately, a visa restriction is not a blanket ban on every type of visa, but rather a targeted move affecting specific categories of visas, like visitor visas, student visas, and in some cases, even skilled migration streams. The government hasn't published a detailed list of the affected countries publicly, but based on leaked reports and travel warnings, it's believed that nations like Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, and Iraq were on that list. Some of these countries are seeing full application suspensions, while others face extremely tight scrutiny or capped approval numbers. Now, the official reasoning given by the Australian Department of Home Affairs is centered around visa integrity and security concerns. They claim there's been a spike in fraudulent applications, overstays, and cases where applicants use temporary visas like student or visitor visas not for genuine purposes, but as a backdoor into long-term migration. This has especially been a concern in the education sector, where some low-tier colleges have become entry points rather than institutions of learning. But here's where it gets controversial. Critics are calling this move discriminatory, politically motivated, and unfairly targeting low-income countries with limited opportunities. Others argue that Australia is simply protecting its system from being overwhelmed, especially as migration numbers have surged post-COVID, putting strain on housing, healthcare, and job markets. Now, if you're from one of these 10 countries, you're probably wondering what happens next. Can you still apply? The answer is, it depends on your visa type and your situation. For example, high-skilled visa applicants and students with offers from reputable universities may still get approved, but expect longer processing times, more documentation, and tougher screening. On the other hand, visitor visas and lower-tier education providers are facing blanket rejections or holds. There's also a bigger trend behind this move. Australia has been under pressure to rebalance its migration system. The government has made it clear they want to focus on attracting highly skilled migrants and international graduates from priority sectors like healthcare, engineering, and IT while cracking down on what they see as non-genuine migration pathways. So this visa restriction is not a standalone decision. It's part of a broader shift in how Australia manages who enters and who stays. If you're currently in Australia on a temporary visa and trying to bring your family over, or planning to apply for permanent residency, you should definitely speak with a registered migration agent. Things are changing fast, and one small mistake on your application could mean long delays or outright refusal. So what should you do right now? First, don't panic. These bans and restrictions are being reviewed constantly, and some may be lifted in the coming months, especially if diplomatic negotiations or policy shifts take place. Second, keep your paperwork clean. That means no fake documents, no false claims, and no shortcuts. The government is cracking down hard, and they're not taking chances. That's the full breakdown of Australia's 2025 visa restrictions affecting 10 Asian countries. While this news might feel overwhelming, knowledge is power, so stay informed and take action early. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more timely immigration updates. Got questions or need advice? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help you navigate these complex changes. Thanks so much for watching. Stay resilient, and I'll see you in the next video with more crucial info to support your journey to Australia.